Welcome to my channel. Tenses. Tenses refer to time. It specifies the time of a verb's action or state of being. The tenses guides us for making correct sentence depending on the time of action. Means the tenses specifies about the time when that action is going on. So now let us see what are the tenses, how many tenses we have. Now we have total 12 tenses. Present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. So total we have 12 tenses. So now first we will see about the present tense or simple present tense. The first one is simple present tense. What is simple present tense? The rules of the simple present tense is to express habitual actions. Habitual actions means everyday actions. For example, I go to work every morning. I drink coffee every day. Second is to express general truths like India is a vast country. Our earth is round in shape. And third one is to express future action that has already been planned. The train leaves at 5:30. As we have booked the train ticket already and we know that the train is going to leave at 5:30 p.m. So the simple present tense is used for these purposes to express habitual actions, to express general truths, to express future actions that has already been planned. So these are the rules of the simple present tense. To express these things, we use simple present tense. Now we will see how to ask the questions, how to say yes and no in the simple present tense. In simple present tense questions, the structure of question is do or does plus subject plus verb. So first do or does plus subject plus verb. Now let us look at some example. Do you dance? Singular. When you are asking to only one person, we ask like this. Do you dance? When you are asking more than one person, the question will be like this. Do they dance? So do you dance is for singular. Do they dance is for the plural. Next, does she dance? Does he dance? When she and he comes, you have to use does. Okay, understood now? For he, she and it, we have to use does or doesn't. For we, you, I, they, do or don't. So in this way, the questions are made in simple present tense. Now we will see how to say yes in the simple present tense. Now, how to say yes? The structure of a yes in simple present tense is here first comes the subject plus verb plus yes or es. Now, see the examples. I take, we take, she takes, it takes, he takes. So, to say yes, this is a structure. First, it comes subject, then verb, then either you can add s or es. Now we will look at the no structure. So the no structure in simple present tense, subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb. So look at the example. I don't take. We don't take. She doesn't take. It doesn't take. He doesn't take. They don't take. So for he, she, it, we have to use doesn't. Yes, doesn't. Now for we, I, they, and for you also, we have to use don't. Don't. Yes, for he, she, and it, we have to use doesn't. For I, we, and they, it is don't. So this is the structure of no. Now we will look at few sentences in the simple present tense. So these are the few general sentences of the simple present tense. I go to school every day. He helps me every time. She doesn't eat properly. They don't go to movies. India is a vast country. The bus starts at 7 a.m. So these are the few sentences of the simple present tense. Now, this is about the simple present tense. So, simple present tense expresses about habitual actions, expresses about general truths, expresses about the future actions which are already planned. This is the simple present tense. Now in the next class we will see about the another tense. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please comment it, share it, and please do subscribe to the channel.